Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, this is a manual when we want to see the most perfect drastical difference of two video editors. One is payable and not payable. It has Nch company Videopad, which is mainly free for Windows 10, but you need from Microsoft Store to install it as an app, not a program. So for many computers, or for all computers, I don't know, you have it free from this for Windows 10. So after installing it, you have prerogative to edit, for example, your video, to add at some points some text, whatever you need, effects, cut the audio, and so on. And you have the main prerogative of this video editor is to export your video in lossless. So whatever computer you have, even the lowest quality computers, lowest quality CPU, you have possibility to export file in lossless. What does it mean? It means that your time to export your video will be too low, because it will be like for example, video of high definition full HD video of 1 minute. 1 minute will be exported on even on 2-core PC in 10-12 seconds. If you have some edits, it only re-encode these points of videos, these frames of video, and other frames it bypasses and uses export in original quality and super fast. This is a prerogative. All the same, it is very hard to use this video to make different masks. Here in like effects, and it's very hard to use this video. For example, I am here on 19 minutes of the video. So, and I want to add effects, video effects. I select motion blur. So then you can just use and move your circle or quadrangle or quad and put it where you want to make. You need to add mask, add effect mask. When I add effect mask, you can move it where you want. But for example, I now go to another second of the video, and I click, and it works. Okay, but it's very hard here, and it doesn't have automatical motion blur function. All the same, it's hard to use for fast editing if you need to make many videos and make them fast, so it will be too hard for you. The only prerogative of it is that you can use in many cases this program free and lossless video exportation. That is very perfect feature. Also, you can edit audio inside it. It has half audio editor inside the program, and that is the thing. another video editor program that is an opposite to this one, is the most simple, like narrow program, narrow video editor, narrow express, like an AVC video editor and many CapCut, CoolCut and many others that is very simple to use and have too many features. It's very good. It is payable, but there are many discounts out there. Sometimes even right now they offer it for $15, 14 and 62, more or less. Now in new version from 5, you have a possibility here to make motion tracking half automatical. So it is situated on the right. You have video, color. When you have audio also, settings, and tracking. You enable it. You select how to cover it with blur as mosaic and add tracking points. It is half automatic. Also, another thing is good. Everything is sorted very perfectly, very good here. But a disadvantage is that, for example, too many different stickers, background effects, transitions and so on. And some of them are here, but mainly you need to download many of them. And for example, you have downloaded the ones you prefer to use every day, and at the end, when you need them, you need to know the name to search them. If you don't know the name, you need to search them manually here. And imagine you have 586 stickers. How hard it is to find yours desired that you have downloaded. It's very hard, so it's not good a thing. It would be better for them to make your preferable downloaded or your to show only them, not to show all of these, just to show what you need, like bookmarks in browser. And that is the thing. But great disadvantage of this program, probably besides this one, but the main disadvantage is that it exports also in original quality, but it doesn't have export of lossless type. As you see, quality recommended, low, custom, high. So it has possibility to export your file in a lossless type. It will be as original type, but there is no possibility to select lossless exportation. Even if you select every data as your original source file for everything, it will be for fast exportation, but also saying it will be the same exportation. So you will lose time as if you make a video or some presentation from zero. So no lossless exportation. That is great disadvantage, but the program is I would say 90% easier to use and comfortable to use than Videopad by Nch company, and it has also motion tracking. Though I must admit that yesterday I tried to put a direct raw video that is of large size, 4.5 GB, and the program crashes with the message Microsoft SCC type library and something like that. So it cannot use this function for raw videos, large raw videos. But all the same, it's a pity that it does not have lossless export of video, as many programs have. Even AVS video editor, another one, it has possibility for lossless export, but they have for many years a problem that audio doesn't sound at all after this export, so only down video. So glorify the God forever, such a manual. It is the difference of these two very famous video editors.